Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I bought a whole bunch of these LA Girl ProConceal concealers, and I wanted to try to see if I could do a full face of makeup just using the concealer. So that's what this video is about today. And when I say full face, I don't mean like everything on my face, but like where I would usually put my foundation and highlight and contour and everything like that. All of that is all concealer. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. I'm using all concealer by LA Girl, the LA Girl ProConceal, and I got a couple different colors, like a cool tan, which is this one. And I also got chestnut, and I got another creamy beige, and toffee. So I wasn't sure if toffee or cool tan was the correct color that I needed. So we're just gonna figure that out. We're gonna go with the toffee. I feel like the cool tan is giving me a little bit lighter than what I want, so we're gonna go with the toffee. So I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of this color corrector. I wanna cover up these dark spots. Also, I'm only gonna do just a little bit because I don't know how concealer on top of concealer is going to play out. And I'm literally just applying this like I would my foundation. Oh, it's giving me some pretty bomb coverage. Yeah, it is looking really good so far. You just go back, and if you feel like you need to, you know, add it in places where you feel you need a little more. It actually covered up my dark spots well, but I feel like I can see a little bit of the color corrector kind of bleeding through. So I'm just going over those spots, and I am kind of dabbing the product in instead of kind of swiping it. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my creamy beige to highlight. And I don't know how this is gonna work. We about to see. And go ahead and blend all that in. Okay, so next I'm gonna take a wet sponge to blend that all out. Okay, so now I am going to just set where I put the creamy beige concealer at. And I don't bake, so I just use just a little bit and I just press it in. And this is the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder and banana. I love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. So now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take this chestnut to do my contour. I'm just gonna use just a little bit. Whoop. Just a little more. Whoop. Yeah, a little bit right here. Then I'm gonna do a couple of lines up here. Just a couple. One time I did it before and I used way too much. I was looking crazy. And then I'm gonna just do a little small line right here. So now I'm just gonna kind of blend and buff all that out. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that banana powder, just a little bit of it. Dust it right off. Dust it off. And I'm just using this little contour kit, and I'm just gonna politely go over that, and, you know. And then this side. And blend it out a little bit. Alright, now that we is all done with that, I'm going to take my finishing powder. This is the Fit Me Set and Smooth. And so I'm just going to brush that over everything just to kind of bring my color back and kind of even everything out. Alright, I'm really digging this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish the look real quick. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. If y'all like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Make sure you tap the bell button so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video.